let's work on the cadence of our espresso bar. The rhythm of making drinks back-to-back must be practiced, and there's a few tips and tricks to consider. To begin, keep the drink offerings on your menu small. We recommend starting with only 1 cup size. This helps the service to be quicker and more predictable for small setups. But we all know that iced options can become popular during the hot months. Oh look, someone just walked up, and they want to order 2 drinks, and they seem to be in a hurry. Making many drinks quickly is challenging, especially while the person who ordered them is staring at you. The 2 portafilter system is a fantastic way to keep shots pulling. While one shot is being pulled, the other portafilter is being prepped for the next shot. If we're not very busy, it's still best to use only 1 portafilter and keep it in the group head of the machine to stay hot. If the event is really busy, we can predetermine whether we need to single serve espressos instead of doubles by splitting the shots. We are now able to pool a double espresso to split, but we can also steam enough milk for 2 drinks at once in a 60 centiliter pitcher. Dose half the amount of steamed milk into a small pitcher and set it aside. Having a separate hot water tower for Americanos or tea can be useful. This lets both the steam boiler and coffee boiler in our machine remain stable throughout the busy service. We can always add a brew by weight scale to our flow with the Linea Mini to open more multitasking options. And if you need to charge at an event, don't forget a point of sale system. When traveling with an espresso machine, draining the steam boiler makes the machine much lighter and easier to move. This also helps keep the water inside of the boilers fresh.